Whistleblower hotline providers versus internal legal hotlines. Which one is better for multinational compliance programs? Most companies get this wrong. They think any internal reporting line is enough to manage compliance risks. The surprising truth is that multinational programs face unique challenges: cross-border regulations, language barriers, and employee trust, and the choice of reporting channel can make all the difference. Internal legal hotlines are managed in-house by the company's legal team. They offer direct access to counsel for reporting misconduct, regulatory concerns, or ethical violations. The advantage is immediate internal oversight and integration with company policies. However, employees may hesitate to report sensitive issues due to fear of retaliation or lack of anonymity, especially in countries with different labor laws. Whistleblower hotline providers are independent third parties that manage confidential reporting channels. They can operate, support multiple languages, and provide anonymous options. For multinational companies, these providers help meet legal obligations under regulations like the U.S. Sarbanes-Oxley Act, EU Whistleblower Directive, and other local laws. Employees are more likely to report issues when they trust the system is independent, improving detection of potential fraud or compliance breaches. The key difference is clear: internal hotlines offer direct legal oversight, while external whistleblower providers enhance anonymity, accessibility, and regulatory compliance. Many multinational corporations adopt a hybrid approach. Internal teams handle investigations, while external hotlines encourage reporting and protect employee confidentiality. Takeaway is simple: choosing the right reporting mechanism can strengthen compliance culture, reduce legal risk, and ensure adherence to global regulations. The surprising truth is that programs relying solely on internal hotlines often see lower reporting rates and miss critical red flags. For any multinational company, combining independent whistleblower channels with strong internal legal oversight provides the best balance of trust, compliance, and risk management.